Hi everyone, I'm Lucinda Rickman from LJ Hooker Wanaka. Today I am super excited to show you through one of my favorite properties situated in Hidden Hills, Wanaka. This lovely home is tucked away on a private 4,440 approximate square meters, surrounded by established, mature, manicured gardens. Space to park your boat, motorhome, and all the extra toys your heart desire. You also have the added option of a one-bedroom separate dwelling for extended family to visit, or you can choose it as a second income stream. The options here are endless. If you are ready for that next step up in luxury living, then 691 Aubrey Road is where you should be. Come inside and have a look for yourself.